Okay, we just got her all finished. I got all the seals up. Everything's nice and tight. Not too bad of a job. I thought it was gonna take me a little longer, but it's actually pretty easy. When I say those seals are tight, let me see if I can't turn it over. Anyway, there you go. Those seals are good and tight. They're so tight you can hear the rubber rubbing up against it. Good and tight. I did a good job. Another one for the team. We saved ourselves some money by doing it ourselves. I've done so much in this RV, and I'm more than sure there's a lot more for me to do. But not this wear and tear stuff really. My wife wants me to change the flooring again. She doesn't like this floor. She wants the more of the fluorescent type of marble, or marble look-alike. It's not really gonna be marble, some type of tile, I guess. That's gonna be really pretty and decorative. So we're gonna do that sometime coming up here pretty soon. And I want to do some backsplash, but as you see, there's a window right there. So only thing I can really do some backsplash is over there in that little corner behind the stove, and I don't have that much of a place to do. I put this new microwave in last year, or year before last, something like that. It wasn't that long ago. And I've got the TVs up here so the kids can watch TVs when their games going on. Got me a water cooler in here. I've got a little ice maker. Little things I've done to keep the party going. You know what I'm saying? Anyway, you know who it is, Brother Ashe, better known as the Dad. Thank you for watching our RV channel on YouTube and Bell's RV, and we appreciate you guys watching. I hope what I did is help somebody else or inspired somebody else to do the same thing. You can do it yourself. It's really not that hard. I ordered it, got the right size sealant, and I put them in, took the other ones off, scraped them down real good and cleaned them up, and then I put the other ones in. Not that hard. I'm not gonna say it wasn't difficult, a little bit, but we can handle it. So anyway, you guys be good. Take care. Peace. Thanks for watching.